Hello traders, and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today is another beautiful day to trade. As usual, I'm going to take one live trade with our strategy, and I'm going to explain everything about the setup so you can apply the same when you trade. So if you are here for the first time and these are the kind of videos you like, if this is something that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and smash the like button so this video can also reach out to more people like you who are also beginner traders and struggling traders as well. If you are here for the first time and you do want to continue to see content like this in the future, then you should do well to also subscribe to this channel. Turn on that bell icon so you don't miss out in our future content. So that being said, guys, let us start. So first of all, let us analyze this chart. You can see that this is a downtrend situation because if we are considering this to be a higher low swing, it has been broken, and this is a lower low, and this is now a lower high. So we can now focus on the retracement phase to see what is going on. Like you already know, the retracement phases in a downtrend are going to be a minor uptrend. So you can see that this is a minor uptrend on the lower scale because we are starting from there. This is a low. Now this is a high, this is a higher low, and these are higher highs, and this also is a higher low. So we try to now get our area of value, which would be our area of entry. I'll make this white. So we have a trend line on this lower scale like this, and we will try to get it correctly. All right, so this looks good, and I'm sure you all know the concept behind this trading setup. We are going to look for a breakout from this level of support. Our trade is going to run for a period of 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I'll have that up, and you can see we are analyzing the 1 minute candle time frame, and this is Euro US dollar chart. So we will try to see if we can have a chance. We are already having the area break, this trend line has been broken, but we are not having clear breakout. So we will see what will happen around the zone. Since we are not having a clear breakout, we will try to get this horizontal level. This is a previous resistance zone, and the market has shied away from this level, and we will see if the market will close below this, then we are going to trade. And again, if this level is broken and this market refuses to create a higher high somewhere here, then it will be a clear indication that the sellers have now taken charge and we can trade. So we look for some weaknesses, we will look for some inability to create a higher high here, and then we will also look out a breakout from this zone to take our trade. So all of this, we don't have all these evidences right now. We will only wait till we have all the evidences to confirm our claims, and then we are going to trade. So sit back, relax, and let's wait. So guys, we have all the evidences now complete, and I have now placed my trade. So we have a trade running, so we'll wait for the trades to finish, and at the end of this trade I'm going to explain again the reason why I have placed my trade. So let's wait. Unfortunately, we have been taken out of profit. The market is not moving in a way that I can understand. Crazy how this is a very strong candle. I don't understand where this is coming from. We have been taken out of profit and now the market is moving in our way, but it is part of the game. Sometimes you are going to lose. Please remember that you can do everything correctly and still lose in trading. So let me explain why I placed my trade. This was a very strong downtrend situation, you can see, and this was a retracement phase and this was the retracement areas. This past few minutes, 30 minutes, you can see on the lower scale we are having some series of highs, because this is a low, this is a high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and I have this trend line on the minor scale which is on the support level, which is suggesting to me that yes, it is a minor uptrend. And then we have to wait for a breakout from this trend line to take our trade. And most times we usually have very strong breakouts, but on this trading setup the breakout was not strong. You can see that this was the first breakout, but it was very weak, and because of that I would not place my trade here. So I had to draw this horizontal level. This is this one, to highlight this area where has been a previous which has been obviously respected by the market in the past, and I have to wait for a breakout from the zone to place my trade. And in addition to that, I have to wait and make sure that the market is unable to create a new high, and this higher low swing needs to be broken, and this was the obvious higher low swing. I wanted it to break and it was broken by this candle. So I placed my trade at the end of this candle, and somehow we have now lost this trade. So this is all about the trade setup. I hope you have learned something and you can apply the same when you want to trade. You don't have to be scared to take your trades as long as you have your setup. Do well to always execute your setup, because if you are scared, you will not trade. If you are scared of losses, you will not trade. So even though this is a loss, this is my trading strategy and I believe and I trust in it, and tomorrow I am going to execute it again. So this is what trading is about. So if you have questions, do drop them on the comment section. I will do my best to answer all your questions. And if you find any value in this video, do well to also hit the like button. And also, if you're here for the first time, you are yet to subscribe, please do well to join this community, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out in our future content. The market is now producing very strong candles, which is a market that I need to avoid. Naturally the market is supposed to fall, but we have not, it took us out of our profit, and now it is not even moving in any defined direction. It is now producing big candles, and it has now been trapped around here. So I will end this here and I will see you again soon, but till then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.